what's the difference between our AI and ChatGPT and Perplexity? That's what most of the people ask. So we are not building a wrapper, we are grounding up the GPUs with own data. So let's look at this. A Spanish couple trusted the ChatGPT and Perplexity answers, and they entered the country without a visa, right? So your travel plan, ChatGPT can fix. Your guidance, ChatGPT can fix. But for the data, you should always trust a government website. Travel agency website is not correct. You should only check the government authority websites, or in case of insurance, it's IRDA. In case of banks, it is RBI. In case of stocks, it is SEBI. So the list goes on. So what we are doing is we are grounding up the data from the regulators. So our data talks about IRDA says, RBI says. So that's the difference between what we are building and what ChatGPTs are. ChatGPTs are generalists, and it gives a good answers, no doubt about it, but it may not be latest. And ours, we constantly look out for the circulars, and then we make sure the data is the latest. And with a disclaimer, please look back into the so-and-so website and confirm the latest information. So I reconfirm, we are working on the domain-led, regulatory-led, compliance-first, latest data-related AIs and LLMs. So welcome, and let's look what is right and what is wrong. Time is the answer. I see that we have a large scope of launching domain-led across the world, starting with India and starting with IRDA and insurance. Thank you, Radha.